To download Blender on a PC or laptop for free, start by opening a browser and navigating to the official Blender website, blender.org. Since Blender is free, open source software, it can be downloaded legally at no cost from the official website. On the website, select Download from the top menu. Then choose Download Blender. Note that there are several versions available for different operating systems, including Mac OS, Linux, and a version for Steam. Select the correct version and save the installation file, which is approximately 231 megabytes, to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the installation file to begin the installation process. Read through the end-user license agreement. Select I agree if you accept the terms, and choose the installation location. The default setting is recommended, but this can be changed if desired. Click Next, and then Install to proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, click Finish to finalize the process. Blender should now be installed on your computer and can be found on the desktop or by searching for it in the Start menu. When opening Blender for the first time, it may take a little longer to load, and you will be prompted to select your language. Choose your preferences for mouse and keyboard settings, and select a theme. Once these settings are configured, you can start creating your first Blender file by selecting New File.